Hello friend, welcome to my channel Techie Dialogue. Have you ever watched a long YouTube lecture and left your focus slowly disappearing? You are not alone. Online videos are great for learning, but lengthy lectures often make us miss the key points. Now, imagine turning any YouTube lecture into near handwrite handwriter notes within minutes, making revision faster, easier, and more effective. In this video, I will show you a completely free AI powered method to convert YouTube lectures into handwrite handwritten notes. So stay with me till ends and let's get started. First, go to YouTube channel and search the lecture that you want you make. Okay, I'm searching math lecture, one of math lecture. I found it and I'm clicking on the lecture. Here is the video. This video length is 58 minutes. So first you have to copy the link of the video. Control plus C to copy the video. Then open a new tab and search YouTube transcript. YouTube transcript. I'm taking the first one, YouTube to transcript. Click on the link. Here is the link open. Now you have to paste the lecture video link here. Control plus V. Now you have to click on get free transcript. Here you can see full transcript in here. Now you have to copy the full transcript. Control plus C to copy. Thereafter you have to open Claude or Gemini or ChatGPT. I'm going to log in Claude AI. Now you have to paste the transcript here. Before paste the transcript, make sure you are logging in Claude with your user ID and password. Now there is a prompt. I'm gonna copy it and paste it. Then you have to press enter. I will give this prompt in my video. You can modify yourself. Here you can see that Claude arranged the transcript very nicely. Now you have to keep your mouse on 3 dot and a box will open with 2 options: copy to clipboard and download files. You have to click on copy to clipboard. The copy is copied. After that you have to again open a new tab and you have to go to Google Gemini. Here is the Google Gemini. As like before, make sure that you are logging with your Gemini. Now you have to click on new chat, and for better performance you have to select flash 3.5. Now the most important part, click on plus button and you have to select Canvas. Then you have to paste the transcript which we copied from Claude. Now I'm going to paste here my second prompt. As like before, I am also keeping this prompt in my video. You can also modify the prompt as you like. Okay, then after pasting the prompt, then you have to press enter. It will take some time, so be patient. There it is. Now it is already generated. You can share it with your friend. Here is the link. You can copy the link and you can share it with your friends. I will download it now. You can see it is download as HTML file. Now I'm going to my download folder. Here, this is the lecture. This is very well organized and minimize your time, and you can understand the lecture very easily. So that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel, Take a Dialogue. That's all for today, friend. Have a good day. Goodbye.